Previously, we discussed about the series LCR circuit. In series LCR circuit, we took a resistor, inductor, and capacitor and joined to a potential V is equal to V naught sin omega t, and we will got the value of equation of Z, and what will value of Z will get, that is R square plus XC minus XL whole square root over, and we also got the value of tan phi. Tan phi is equal to XC minus XL by R. So we also discuss when our XC is equal to exactly equal to XL. So Z, here Z become R. Z become R, we will call it resonance condition. So the current also maximum, I is equal to Vm by Z. So Z become minimum, that is R. So current become maximum. So we will call it a resonance condition. So then we will put the value of XL is equal to 2 pi FL or mu L, XC is equal to 1 by 2 pi mu C. So if we will cross multiply this equation, what we will get? We will get F square is equal to 4 pi square LC. So take its root over, we will get F is equal to 1 by 4 pi square root LC, or you can write sometimes in nu also, 1 by 4 pi square root LC. So if we take root over, what will get? You will get mu r or fr or mu naught, that is resonant frequency, 1 by 2 pi root LC. In terms of omega, its value is 1 by root LC, 1 by root LC. So the electrical impedance Z, measure of the total opposition that a circuit or a part of circuit represent to the electrical current. Impedance includes both resistance R and both XC and XL. So the XC, XL are the reactance. The resistance component arises from collision of the current carrying charged particles with the internal structure of the conductor. So we got the value of mu naught is equal to 1 by root LC. So if we will draw a graph between maximum current along the y-axis and the frequency along the x-axis, you observe this graph. We are taking three different resistance. One is 10 ohm, 5 ohm, 3.5 ohm. You see, for all the cases, the value of L and C is same. You see, you will get at same frequency, you will get the sharpness of the curve. You see, so for 10 ohm, the sharpness is less, it is flat. For 3.5 ohm, the sharpness is more. It means as same XC and XL, the sharpness of the curve depend inversely to the resistance. Lower the resistance, higher the sharpness. Lower the resistance, higher the sharpness. Actually at resonance, what happens? The RL circuit occurs when the inductive and capacitive reactance are equal in magnitude but cancel each other, because VL and VC, what is the phase difference between them? 180 degrees. They cancel each other. So such condition will occur. So if we detail analyze this graph, maximum current versus frequency graph, you see. So this is a symmetry graph. At resonant frequency, the current is maximum, Z is equal to R, but in the both side of the resonant frequency, you see, this is F1, or you can write mu1. The current is I maximum by root 2. If we convert it into percentage, it is 70.7%, or in fraction 0.707%. So this is possible for two frequencies. One frequency lower than the resonant frequency, one frequency higher than the resonant frequency. So these two frequency will call band. So the frequency F2 in the higher range, for which the current becomes, maximum current becomes 70.7% on 1 by root 2 time of I maximum, we will call it a higher side band. and corresponding frequency in the lower band we will call lower sideband. And this difference of the frequency, higher sideband frequency and lower sideband frequency, this one we will call band gap. We will call band gap or bandwidth. So if we will calculate the resonant frequency mu r with this bandwidth, so if we will take the del omega, it is del omega, you can write 2 del omega or bandwidth, you will call it quality factor. We will call it quality factor. So you see, so if bandwidth is less, so then quality factor is more. It means the bandwidth and resonant frequencies idea gives you the quality factor. So if the quality factor is more and the bandwidth is less, so we can use this circuit for tuning circuit. So in TV station, radio station, we are getting signals. So in our radio and TV, we are local oscillators. So if the frequency of the incoming signal and frequency of your local oscillator coincides, so exactly coincide is not possible. So suppose in this range, in bandwidth range, so we will get current from I maximum root 2 on the lower side to I maximum by root 2 in the higher sides. So in this range we will get these signals. So we will get the sound, we will get the pictures. So this band we will call bandwidth, this band difference. So this quality factors original formula is omega naught by bandwidth. So we can also write in another way, that is voltage drop across the inductor or voltage drop across the capacitor by voltage drop across the resistors, that is XL by R or XC by R. So you know the value of XL, that is omega L, XC is equal to 1 by omega C. If you put the value of omega, so you will get its simple form, omega is 1 by root LC. So if omega is 1 by root LC, we will put, we will get the value of Q is equal to 1 by R root 2 over of LC or 1 by 2 pi mu CR. Both are same. One is in terms of L and C, one other in terms of C and R. So this quality factor also gives the idea how sharp the curve is. So if quality factor is more, the sharpness is more and the tuning circuit work properly. So this is happen at lower resistance. This is happen at lower resistance. If resistance is lower, so then you will use this. So in RL circuit have many application. As oscillator circuit, radio receiver and television receiver, I told you, that is tuning circuit. So frequency match will occur. So we will get a maximum current or we will get the signals. So actually exactly frequency match sometimes not possible. So we will get the signal in between the bandwidth. So the RL circuit is used as oscillator circuit, tuning circuit is television and radio. So it is also used in higher class band pass filters, low pass filters in electronic circuit. You will read in higher classes. So thus we will discuss that a series LCR circuit can be used to catch TV and radio signal as tuning circuit. So we got that the sharpness is more if the resistance is less, and exactly XC is equal to XL. Thank you. Next thing we will read in the coming periods.